hello. Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Irina Zakia Manundo. I am Filipino, 24 years old. I am Roman Catholic, married. I have 2 children. My husband works as a welder. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. And I am a high school graduate. I worked before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, marketing, washing the car, and cleaning. I know how to cook Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and adobo. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and how can speak Cantonese language. I love taking care of children. Give them food on time, bringing them to school, give them vitamins as prescribed by doctor, and playing with them. Mom and sir, please hire me. I will promise to you I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, Madam and sir.